Hey guys, it's Tiffany, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of the most classic cocktails, the old-fashioned. Everything that I use and you're going to need if you try this recipe out at home will be listed in the description box down below. I'm also going to share with you some tips and tricks that I learned on how to flame an orange peel. So if you're interested, keep watching. I'm starting by smoking my glass to give my old-fashioned a smoky flavor, and then put that to the side. I'll be using a chilled mixing jar to build my cocktail. You can build yours directly in your tumbler if you skip the smoking bit. You'll need 1 sugar cube. If you don't have a sugar cube, just use a teaspoon of regular sugar. We're then going to add our bitters. Other recipes I've seen use Angostura aromatic bitters, but I've opted for orange bitters instead. Most recipes call for 4 to 6 dashes. You can adjust based on your palate. Let that soak into your sugar cube, then take a muddle and crush the sugars till that it breaks down and fuses together. Add 2 ounces of bourbon of your choice. Give it a stir and set it aside. Let's bring our tumbler back, place our ice inside, and pour the cocktail into the glass. Now for the fun part. Grab an orange. Look for a fresh orange, something that's firm with a smooth exterior. It will help you achieve a bigger flame because of the oils found in the rind from a fresh and ripe orange. Cut a few slices because you'll probably want some to practice with. I found it the easiest when you slice peels about 2 inches long. Cut evenly throughout with a slight layer of pith. Not too much because your drink may end up more bitter than you'd like. You also want to be able to do the squeezing motion to express the oils over your drink. And this is an example of what you don't want. It's not even, too much pith, and just snaps into 2. These were the flames that I achieved after a bit of practice, and of course, flaming your peel is completely optional, but I find that it adds character to your drink with a caramelized oil flavor, and it looks cool. And there you have it. Let me know if you make an old-fashioned at home. Also, let me know in the comments below what your favorite cocktails are. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.